become a preferred supplier for data center solutions, it's important to understand that there are two areas which bears high importance for our customers. One is energy efficiency, where our solutions follow our publicly announced commitment on reducing CO2 emissions over a long-term period. Secondly, reliability and quality is at the DNA of Grundfos, and we have allowed ourselves to become the preferred partner for customers who have a holistic, sustainable and long-term ambition with their choice of equipment.
We do require suppliers like Grundfos support in order to implement the entire projects. Like during design stage, we would require a lot of information for the preliminary calculation, and in order to achieve certain energy efficiency, based on the client's requirements.
SBTI 지금 잘 하고 있고, 그다음에 ESG 경영도 잘 하고 있으니까 우리가 이제 좀 더 그룹포스의 제품을 써서 거기에 동참할 수 있는 그런 계기가 됐으면 좋겠다는 생각이 많이 듭니다.